Is Maribel the beauty queen or the wakwak queen?
Palengke queen.
Ah, palengke.
Oh, Central Market queen.
What is Central Palengke queen?
Department store queen. Lahat ng queen sa atin.
Pero ang wakwak hindi mo aminin.
Hindi ko amin ang WWE.
Kasi hindi ka naman wakwak.
Hindi.
Pero may nagsabi na wakwak ka daw.
Kabayaan mo siya. Paniwala niya.
Sino ang paniwalaan dapat? Ikaw lang.
Ako lang. No evidence.
No evidence that you eat people.
No. I'm afraid to eat the people.
But someone told me na kinain mo daw siya.
No, he told me, sir, your people are very ugly.
Kaya nga sa lapag ka natulog daw kasi kinain mo siya.
No.
Is that true, Maribel?
Yeah. Liar is the people liar.
The people liar, na?
Yes.